are places where time doesn't move forward. It breathes, slowly. Where every rooftop holds a story. And silence isn't empty, it's sacred. These are Japan's most peaceful villages. And they are more than just destinations. They are homes carved into earth and wood. Globally wonders presence. Shirakawa-go, the village where snow sleeps. Hidden in the Japanese Alps, Shirakawa-go feels like a dream whispered in white. Its steep thatched rooftops, built like praying hands, protect generations from the heavy snow. Lanterns flicker in windows, smoke curls into the sky. And the world forgets itself in silence. A UNESCO World Heritage Site. But to the heart, it's simply home. In Nofunuya, the floating village, where mountains meet sea, there lies in a village that floats. Here, houses are built above the waves. Wooden boat garages below, homes above. The sea laps gently against the past, while fishing boats glide like brushstrokes. At sunset, the entire village turns to gold. BA, the living canvas of Hokkaido. BA is not a village. It's a painting. Living and breathing. Rolling hills painted with flowers. Lone trees standing like poems. It's where color becomes calm. And skies go on forever. Even the wind here whispers in soft tones. Miyama, Japan's forgotten Eden. In the heart of Kyoto's mountains. Miyama keeps the spirit of rural Japan alive. Thatched cottages, hidden shrines, slow rivers. A village untouched by time. Children run barefoot in fields. Fireflies dance in the summer dusk. And winter paints the rooftops in quiet white. Aogashima, the volcano village. Far from mainland Japan, in the middle of the Pacific. Aogashima rests inside an ancient volcanic crater. Only a few hundred people live here. Between cliffs, sea, and sky. It's wild. It's remote. And it feels like a place from another planet. Yet it's peaceful, the kind of peace only nature can create. Narajuku, echoes of the Samurai Road. On the old Nakasendo Trail. Narajuku still stands, just as it did 300 years ago. Wooden inns, paper lanterns, tea houses. Each step feels like a footnote in history. It's where travelers once paused. And today, where time does. Kamakochi's hidden hamlet. Deep inside the Chubusangaku National Park, Kamakochi isn't just a hiking destination. Tucked along the Azusa River are tiny lodges. Wooden bridges, and silence like silk. Here, you wake up to clouds resting on mountains, and fall asleep to rivers humming lullabies. In these villages, life is not rushed. It's felt. The world may grow louder, faster, heavier. But these places remind us, peace still exists. And beauty doesn't always shout. Sometimes, it just breathes. This has been a journey through Japan's most peaceful villages. Only on Globally Wonders. Don't forget to subscribe, so the wonder never ends.